Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Boutiques YouTube channel. As you already know from the thumbnail, today's episode is specifically dedicated to Kantha stitch dupattas. This week you will also get to see two videos just on Kantha stitch. One would be sarees and the other one would be dress materials, kurtas, Punjabis. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. Dupatta number 1. This is a pure Tassar dupatta. Kantha stitch done on it, dyed, and inside there are Kantha stitch booties going on, and towards the side you can see the Kantha stitch which is also known as fish bone. The color is a bright yellow and a mixture between a blue and a grey. This is dupatta number 1, priced at 2250. 2250. Dupatta number 2. All of these are single pieces, so please keep your options open while booking. This is dupatta number 2. Similar pattern, just the color is different. This is a beautiful mauvish brownish color, mixture between a mauve and brown, and this is the normal Tassar color, plain Tassar color. This is how it's going to look. Again Tassar dupatta, priced at 2250. Dupatta number 3. Pink and bluish grey. A beautiful combination, bright, vibrant. Design is similar to the other two, color combination is just different. Tassar dupatta number 3, priced 2250. Number 4. We have tried to bring a lot of colors in today's video so that you guys can have a lot of options while you are booking. This is baby pink and soft green, and the inside booties are done in black Kantha stitch. This entire thing is Kantha stitch, by the way, and Kantha stitch means hand stitched. None of these are machine stitched. Tassar dupatta number 4, priced 2250. Number 5. This is like a slight creamish off-whitish yellow. Cannot say yellow, you can say a little darker than off-white. And inside is a slight light brown. This is how it looks like. Tassar dupatta number 5, priced 2250. Number 6. This is my favorite from this lot. This is a charcoalish black color, not a pitch black color, and the fishbone Kantha stitch has gone in red, and the inside of this color is dyed purplish blue, and the booties are done in red. Very bright and vibrant. Dupatta number 6, priced 2250. Last one from this lot, dupatta number 7, yellow and pink, peachish pink. Black fishbone done on the sides and on the bottom, and the inside part has black booties. Dupatta number 7, same priced 2250. Now we'll move on to some silk dupattas which are painted as well as Kantha stitched done on it, both painted and Kantha stitched. These are priced at 2100. This is dupatta number 8.
If you
see the details, the inside is dyed in one color, and the borders and the bottom part has the katha stitch and painting. These are the painted portions, and in between you can see katha stitch work is done in all the sides and in the borders. Dupatta number 8, 2100. Dupatta number 9. Similar pattern, similar price, similar material, just the color is different, of white and grey. Dupatta number 9. We're mentioning the prices as well, and please keep options while booking, as all of these are single pieces. Dupatta number 10. This is very vibrant. Green, red, blue, yellow. You'll get all the colors in it. Silk dupatta with painting and katha stitch both done on it. 2100. Number 11. Blue and green are always a very vibrant and a beautiful combination. So this is a little darker than sky blue, and you have these green and slight red border dyed as well. Paintings, you can see how the paintings have gone. Dupatta number 12. This is how it looks like. A beautiful color. Painting and katha stitch both done on a silk dupatta. Priced at 2100. Now we are moving towards again tassa dupattas, the more traditional ones. This is number 13, priced at 2250. These are all hand stitched. Number 14, 2250. Tassar dupatta with katha stitch work. These don't have paintings, these are just katha stitch work. Same priced, 2250. Number 15, pink and black. Tassa dupatta. $2,250. Number 15. Number 16. If you're looking for traditional dupattas, then you can definitely go for these tassa dupattas. 2250, number 16. Number 17, yellow and black. $2,250. Number 18, is also a Tasar dupatta. Same priced 2250. Look at the detailing. Leaf motifs done on it. Extremely intricate and time consuming process of kantha stitch. Complete piece of art, as these are all hand stitched. Number 19. Red and Tasar color dupatta. Same priced 2250. Dupatta number 20. Tasar dupatta. Combination is red and black. Floral work done on it. This is how it looks like. Number 20, priced at 2250. 21. Another Tasar dupatta. Also priced at 2250. Yes. Number 21. Number 22 is also Tasar color and red. $2,250. 23 onwards are a little more bright, vibrant, dyed silk dupattas. So many colors have been used. Beautiful combination of pink and yellow. And inside the kantha stitch, work has been done with a lot of colors. This is how it looks like. Number 23. This was priced at 2050. 2050. Number 24. This is more like a stole, not a dupatta. The fun fact about this is you can use it from this end as well as you can use it from this end as well. So one fabric works in both sides. This is priced at 1850. 1850. Number 25. Another combination of magentas and pinks. Silk dupatta. These are dyed silks. This is how it looks like. 25, 2050. 26, orange and Tasar color dyed dupatta. Too many colors have not been used in it, just the shades of orange and Tasar and white. Just imagine the number of days it would have taken for them to make one piece. Number 26, 2050. 27, really bright and vibrant and colorful. Blue, pink, purple, all colors are there in this. A dyed silk dupatta. Look at the details. Katha stitch, multicolored katha work. Number 27, 2050. 28 is just green and grey, a very unique combination. Katha stitch has been done with just white, grey and green, not multicolors have not been used in this one. This is how it looks like. Number 28, 2050. 29, purple and pink with multicolor katha stitch work done on it. A lot of colors have been used in this. Just look at it in details. Number 29, 2050. 30, one of my favorites. Yellow and pink combination, dyed in two different colors. Inside, the katha stitch has also been done with yellow, white and pink. Multicolors have not been used in this one. Number 30, 2050. 31, last from today's episode. A very unique combination, beautiful and vibrant. Multicolors dupatta, number 31, 2050. Hope you all have liked today's episode. We have shot this episode in English as it was repeatedly requested in the comment section. Next video, which is coming up after a few days, would be on katha stitch exclusive sarees. A lot of sarees have been showed in that episode as well. Earlier in the katha stitch episode, which was shot last month, a lot of you didn't receive the sarees, so we have tried to bring a lot of new variation in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please press the bell icon for notifications. A lot of you are subscribing to the channel but not pressing the bell icon. Unless and until you press the bell icon, you will not get the notifications. So please press on the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.